We're off on an adventure. Welcome back to another video. In a perfect world, the weather would be great and we'd have no issues, but you guys know how shit goes. It's raining and it's 100% for the whole morning. There's nothing we can do about it. We need to just prepare for it. Raincoats, rain boots, all that bullshit. The plan is to go peach picking. I've never been. I just never lived, I guess. But we're also gonna bring Brittany and Logan and have them experience that. I hope Logan hasn't, so we can be on the same page. We're gonna go ahead and pick them up now. It's early in the morning, as you can hear the fucking raindrops. We're headed towards Michigan, so we'll see if the weather is similar as far as the rain, or if not, a whole fucking tsunami. We will find out. But we're gonna head to Target first, and yeah, welcome to the vlog.
What's going on, Mr. Boy? Let's go. Let's go.
Let me see a splash of water on there.
I want to get wet. Look, it's raining so bad. I don't want it.
I just want it. So exactly like I said, that we're gonna pull over, the rain was gonna stop.
We have an hour before it starts. Fruit egg.
Oh, there's a bee.
Take it off.
Jesus Christ. Well, do something. You're just watching it. The bees don't do anything. Wrong location. We gotta drive a mile.
You're tired of what?
I'm tired.
Do you pay bills? Do you go to work? What are you tired of?
Look at yourself in the camera.
What? Look at your camera.
Careful.
Show the sign. Turn it so it's facing you like this.
Look at your face.
Are you ready? Are you excited? Oh. Are you ready?
Logan rented out the whole thing.
Pick 'em up.
Pick 'em up.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you ready?
You're on the tractor.
Nothing like a tractor ride. Look at this. That slide looks dangerous.
Has to go on that.
What's the best peaches for peach cobbler?
They're all good.
They're all good?
Because when you do that, you're putting in cinnamon and sugar, see?
Yeah.
My wife makes peach crisp.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And you do the same thing with sour cherries.
Okay.
Do the same thing.
Ow.
It's recording, so just hold it.
You hold it?
Yeah, just hold it and then come on. Pick 'em
Go
up.
this way.
So we got peaches first. So we're gonna go. Okay. Tell them what's going on.
What's going on?
We got our first free sample. Go ahead, try it out.
Ew, I know.
Ooh.
Here, look and take a bite.
What you think? Really?
It's good, right? I want to have it. You have it? Record mom.
What you think?
Is it good? It's good, right? I want to have
Pretty
it.
good. Just a little fuzzy.
It's a little fuzzy. Yeah, I'm like.
This man. We're gonna continue to look for bitches. You're gonna fly away. Don't press any buttons.
What? If I hear a quish,
Then we take
you're
it
going
back.
to jail.
Oh, I didn't know about jail.
Be nice to the peaches.
What a
You gotta
bully.
behave or you're gonna stay there. He said no. Come here. No.
So we got a decent amount in there.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Getting some pretty good ones. This is the last weekend that they'll have peaches available. So we made the drive. It was gonna be 50-50 like I told you guys earlier. It was supposed to be 100% thunderstorms all day. For the time being, it's not raining, thank the fucking Lord. What? So we're getting some peaches. The goal is to make some peach cobbler. Ooh, some
Which
peach
we
cobbler.
are.
Yeah, we are.
For the first time in history.
The farmer said that's a great idea. Yeah, I think we're good. Sounds good to me. What's up, Logan? What you looking at? Oh, actually stay right there.
Look over here.
Oh, look, I'll give you money.
Ooh, smile. Oh. He said money.
Oh. What is this?
A Macintosh. That was good.
These are good. There's like 10 different categories of bros. I like this one. I would like the one of the taffy apple too. Is that a fucking worm?
Ew. So what kind of apples do you want? Gala?
If you want Gala.
Don't put it.
I think Gala. You don't like it?
Good. I like this one better.
Silken apple. Hold them up next to each other. That's a big ass difference. Silken was there. Tastes like a pear. This one, Macintosh.
No, that's that one.
Oh, what?
I got the early.
Early what?
Early in the morning.
Oh, okay. Golden delicious is what Chelsea likes. But there's still more to try. These are Gala. Gala's. Them Gala's good, huh?
Gala's busting.
I think we're done with the apples. Pretty good. But my lip is getting plump, I don't know why.
What are we gonna do? The slide. We're gonna go on the big, giant, scary slide.
I finished eating.
Look at this.
I want to see
You want to go on the scary slide? You're gonna go on the slide, right?
Yeah.
This shit is really big. The slide looks extra sketchy. Logan wants to try it. You gonna do it?
No.
I don't know, man. You gonna do this?
Yeah.
Here. All right, we're just going up. I'll follow up with you. This shit is high.
I could record you.
Wow, it's so high. Yay, good job. It's okay. Yeah.
You're okay, you're okay.
Now you gotta go down. He's gonna push you. Push him, Logan.
Look at this.
Why didn't you stand?
It was the raincoat.
Watch out, mom's coming down.
Mommy.
Oh my.
Okay, you look at me.
You went straight to the ground. Ready, steady, go. You see how he slows down?
How you do that, man? It is coming down. We need to walk over there, but we're stuck here. My ass is wet. My coat is fucked up. We pull over to the Tractor Supply because there's not really one by us, but we do get the dogs' food here. As you know, they were brought straight off the freaking farm, so of course they were eating this. Here we go. Picking up this shirt. Pretty nice. Oh man, I haven't seen that color. What is going on? Chickens, coffee, sleep, repeat. Look, 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 look. What you mean, what?
Can we get one? Just to the
No. It's chickens for $2.
Please. I want chicken. I
No.
want chicken.
No.
Pretty please. We can keep it in
Where?
with Oakley.
Yeah, right. Got the dog food. Back to our 2-hour drive. We're gonna grab some food. I am fucking starving, so we're at B-Dubs. It's been a while. All right, Logan, we're parting ways. So we just dropped off Logan and Brittany. It was amazing. It was such a fun time.
Yeah, that was a cool experience. That was his first time picking stuff, so it was good to have it with us. And memories that he's gonna have for the rest of his life.
Right now, we're headed towards Target again, just because we need a couple ingredients to make peach cobbler. I have not had this in years. Chelsea's never tried.
I've never had it, but I'm about to make it.
Never tried the sugar, but it's required for this, so we're getting that. Heard of baking soda, never heard of baking powder, but we need that. Some ice cream, because apparently that'd be a good side. The new beanies put it straight onto the cabeza.
PR put me onto this.
Ben and Yetis.
I never had this flavor before, and when I had it in PR,
This is how my pants look after my situation. So I gotta get those washed. But we're gonna go ahead and start the peach cobbler. So Chelsea's suited and booted, ready. Peeling all the fresh, juicy peaches. I just sliced up some of the peaches and then I sliced up some of the butter and I'm placing...
what?
I'm just kidding. So Chelsea's taking care of the butter. She did peel that. I'm going ahead and slicing these, making them very nice, crisp, and wonderful. These boys are waiting for any leftovers that get cut like that.
That's on Thanksgiving.
If this goes good, then it will. If not, we gotta make another dish. Fingers crossed, I think it'll go good. You're a master chef.
I am.
What do you say about that? So now we have the peaches in this pan. This is the sugar, and as you can see, it is much different from regular sugar. Kind of hitting like VVS diamonds. Look at that. So yeah, my job is to stay here and flip these while this melts. All right, so this is getting a little golden. The sugar's melted and all that. So let's move over to Chelsea. What you got going on, chef?
I got the batter.
Nice.
Nope.
Okay, let's add that now. Okay.
Kind of like it.
If you wanted to see that clip, follow her on Instagram. Pop tag there. Awesome, chef. Those are still going. Butter was in the oven, sizzling and getting nice and brown. What's next, chef?
Pour the batter in here.
Pour the batter. Nice. Now she's gonna go ahead and put the peaches within the batter. All right, now ground cinnamon. A generous amount. It is in the oven for how long?
40 minutes.
40 minutes? Oh wow. I'll see you soon. We're gonna let that go. Let's go ahead. Dun, 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 dun. May the Lord be with you. Close this bitch up. Now we wait, chef. All right, we got about 16 minutes left. Let's go ahead and check. Oh, dang. It definitely needs a 16 more minutes.
It looks like what it's supposed to look like.
It smells good.
The whole house smells like peaches and fall.
So it's done baking. It smells amazing. The whole place smells like it. We're gonna let this cool down for a bit. And then obviously cut our piece, scoop of ice cream, see how it goes. I'm excited.
The Oreo boy.
Hey, Oreo, please wait. Thank you. French vanilla. Oh man. Nice little scoop in there. We're gonna try it right now. 1, 2, 3. Fuck.
Compliments to the chef.
Compliments to the chef. This was a success. I'm glad we ended up going. We weren't because of the rain, but we did, and it ended up perfect. Thank you to Brittany and Logan for joining us. It was amazing, as Logan would probably could tell you. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next video.